Today, we're diving into a TikTok trend that's making waves on the platform: AI-generated content. And combines the power of artificial intelligence with creative storytelling, resulting in videos that are not only eye-catching, but also extremely engaging. A standout example in this category is the popular page AI Fusion Master. This account has amassed over 1.3 million followers, with some videos reaching up to 50 million views on TikTok. And even more, they've reached 1 million views on YouTube. Their content features mystical creatures, animal fusions, and thrilling animal competitions, captivating audiences globally. By leveraging AI, they've reached millions and sparked massive interest in AI-generated visuals. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to create similar viral content that can captivate an audience and potentially help you earn money through TikTok's reward program. The success of AI Fusion Master is a prime example of how using AI creatively on TikTok can not only attract huge followings, but also open up new income streams. With the right approach, you can turn your creative ideas into a consistent source of revenue. I'll be guiding you step by step, from crafting engaging prompts with ChatGPT to creating stunning visuals with Leonardo AI, animating with VuAI, upscaling quality in CapCut, and fine-tuning edits to make your content truly stand out. Stick with me through each step, and by the end, you'll have all the tools needed to make high-quality, viral videos that can grow your audience and possibly bring in revenue. Ready to jump in? Let's start. Step 1. Creating compelling image prompts with ChatGPT. Our first step is to develop prompts for the visuals we'll be using. Creating unique, engaging prompts can set the stage for captivating content that resonates with viewers. For this, we'll use ChatGPT to generate prompts that are tailored to create short video content centered around animals representing different themes, like mythical creatures, animal fusions, and even animals representing various countries. This approach is similar to the captivating content produced by AI Fusion Master, which combines intriguing visuals with imaginative ideas. Head over to ChatGPT and enter the following prompt. After entering the prompt, hit send, and in just seconds, ChatGPT will generate the image prompts we need for our short video content. These descriptions will provide the foundation for creating engaging visuals in the next step. If you'd like to use this prompt, I've included it in a Google document linked in the video description for your convenience. Step 2. Generating visuals using Leonardo AI. Now that we have our image prompts, it's time to create visuals using an AI tool called Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is excellent for generating vivid, detailed images from text prompts, allowing us to transform our ideas into visual assets that will form the core of our video. To get started, visit the Leonardo AI website, the link is in the description, and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll receive 150 free credits daily. Start by clicking on Image Generation, then switch to Legacy Mode to customize the output. To conserve credits, set the image count to 2 since we'll be generating 12 images in total. In the Advanced Control Settings, adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, ideal for TikTok, and lock it in place. Next, switch the model to Leonardo Diffusion XEL for the best results. Copy the image prompt we created with ChatGPT, paste it into Leonardo AI's input field, and click Generate. After a few moments, Leonardo AI will produce your first image. Repeat this process until you have all 12 images for each month of the year. These visuals will serve as the base for our short video content, ready to be animated in the following steps. Step 3. Bringing images to life with VuAI. In this step, we'll animate our generated images using VuAI, a cutting-edge video generation tool developed by Shanggu Technology in collaboration with Tsinghua University. VuAI stands out for its ability to quickly transform static images into dynamic animations, adding movement and life to your visuals, which makes for highly engaging content. To begin, navigate to the VuAI website linked in the description and sign up for a free account. Upon registration, you'll receive free monthly credits, which are perfect for getting started with the animation process. Once you're logged in, click Create Video to start the animation process. Upload your first image by clicking Drag an image here, or select an image from your device. Each animation costs 4 credits, so keep track of your credit balance. Once the image is uploaded, click Create to animate it. Repeat this process for each image until all of them have been animated. After animating each image, download the animated versions to your device. This step will provide you with a complete set of dynamic visuals, each ready to be further enhanced for TikTok. Step 4. Enhancing video quality with CapCut. With our animations ready, the next step is to upscale their quality using CapCut's AI-powered video upscaler. High-resolution videos stand out more on TikTok, making it essential to ensure each video looks its best before finalizing the edit. Visit the CapCut Video Upscaler website and click Upload Video. Select your animated clips, choose your preferred resolution, 1080p is recommended for TikTok, and wait for the upscaling process to complete. This feature allows you to improve video clarity, making each animation more vibrant and appealing to viewers. Once each video is upscaled, download the files to your device. Repeat this process for all clips to ensure uniform quality throughout the video. Step 5. Final video editing and enhancement with CapCut. For the final touch, open CapCut's desktop version. Start a new project, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and import your clips. Adjust each clip, add transitions, effects, and text for each month, and animate the text with smooth in and out transitions. Add sound effects from Pixabay and background music from the YouTube audio library to complete your video. Adjust volume and add a vintage filter for a unique, polished look. Once satisfied, export in 1080p for the best quality. And that is the way how you have the million-view videos. Monetization strategies. But you'll wonder, how do they monetize money from these videos, right? Now, I'll show you how. If you look closely at this successful faceless TikTok account, they're making money through 2 ways. That are create a YouTube channel and then make money from these videos. The number of views of these videos on the YouTube platform is a lot. It attracts a lot of followers and views. So this is also a good way to make money. But a more interesting and feasible way to make money is to sell courses. This account make money is by selling an online course for $100, teaching others how to create similar AI-generated images. Even though you've already learned the basics here for free, many people prefer a structured course that guides them step by step. If you grow a similar account, you could sell your own course as well. With just 10 sales a month, you'd make $1,000. If you manage to sell it to 50 people, that's $5,000 in revenue. This isn't difficult if you have an active following and know how to market your course effectively. Final thoughts. With all these elements, DubDub for voiceovers, Leonardo AI for visuals, CapCut for editing, Canva for thumbnails, and Vidu for SEO, you're equipped to launch a high-quality YouTube channel with minimal cost. And that's a wrap. Video has given you clear insights into how you can make money with a faceless Instagram account. If you found this content useful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching.